My name is Glenn Lurie. I'm the CEO at AT&T Mobility. When you look at AT&T, we're a network company, and Internet of Things is about networks. It's about connecting everything. Anything that has current running through it will be connected in some way. The Internet of Things to AT&T has been a priority for a long time. What happened is one of the very first devices that really opened our eyes was the Amazon Kindle. We really started to say, look, this is connected with a beautiful business model that customers love. What else is going to be connected? And that really drove us to build a team, the Emerging Device Organization. It drove us to think differently about connectivity, to kind of open our eyes around all the different verticals that could play in this space. You look at healthcare, you look at the industrial Internet of Things. These are all places where we went early. We were first to the game, right? We saw this, we invested early, we put people on it from a vertical perspective, and it's really allowed us to go faster than anyone else. We've had wins, and now we believe that the opportunity is real and the monetization is real, and the best part is our customers believe it. And I think the big aha at what's next is really that customer experience. These are the things that take it from, wow, that's really great, it's connected, but now what does it do? What problem does it solve? How does it make me more efficient? If you talk about connected cars, a great example, just by adding connectivity, it changes the car into a mobile device that makes it safer, that now can talk to other cars and talk to infrastructure. Then you start to say, well, what other experiences do we want in the car? Well, we really want to have apps in the car. We really want to have new content in the car. We really want to have a 4G hotspot. So when you think about industries that are being revolutionized, think about the industrial internet. The fact that you can add connectivity to a turbine and you can see what it's doing, it allows you now to understand how it's operating, and that's going to be what drives this. And so those services wrapped around it are what's really exciting. So it changes the whole game. The key is that the ecosystem is finally all aligned. And everybody in the ecosystem is figuring out that they have to get educated and understand how mobility is going to change their device, their product, their service. If you're not in that ecosystem, if you're not thinking about mobility, thinking about IoT, you're really going to be out. I mean, you're really going to get left behind. And the number of new businesses and number of new companies that this is building and growing and being birthed is unbelievable. I think the shift we're seeing from device to network to service, look, it's all got to be a package. And I always say, whether it's small, medium, or large, everybody's looking for how this is going to help them be better. But really the focus that we've had on listening to our customers, on learning, and then on going out and really being courageous in growing this business is probably the most excitement I've had in my career. And to see where we are today and the fact that we are leading in this space globally is very gratifying. I think the biggest challenge is going to be us simplifying the whole space and bringing it together and putting a little bow on it so people understand it and people can take it to the next level because of the simplicity. The reality is the Internet of Things changed everything. It's changed every single aspect of every business, and the fun part is we're just scratching the surface of where that's going.